Hey everyone, welcome back to our Excel Mastery series. Today, we're going to talk about a feature that's like magic for your spreadsheets, Flash Fill. So, what exactly is Flash Fill? Well, imagine you have a column of data that you need to format in a specific way, like changing the case of text or extracting certain information. Normally, you'd have to manually edit each cell, right? Not anymore. With Flash Fill, Excel automatically recognizes patterns in your data and fills in the rest for you. Let me show you how it works. See how easy that was? But wait, there's more. Flash Fill isn't just for simple formatting tasks. You can use it for all sorts of data transformations, like splitting text into separate columns or combining data from different cells. Pretty cool, right? But here's the best part. The shortcut that will change the way you use Flash Fill forever. Are you ready for it? That's right. Just press Ctrl+E, CMD+E on Mac, and let Excel do the rest. No more clicking through menus or dragging fill handles. Just instant data magic at your fingertips. And there you have it, the power of Flash Fill and the shortcut that unlocks its full potential. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Excel tips and tricks. Until next time, happy spreadsheeting.